You want the truth. Much of the Stoic lane today is failing the very people it claims to help. Not because every word is false, because the format itself is broken. Quote after quote, rule after rule, panel after panel, masculine theatre, fake detachment, bodybuilder Marcus Aurelius thumbnails, dominance-coded relationship content, algorithm-friendly outrage. And after years of consuming it, what do people actually have? The same anxiety, the same people-pleasing, the same craving, the same weak boundaries, the same reactive body, the same life. That is the failure hidden in plain sight. Because when content gives you the feeling of wisdom without the transformation of wisdom, it does not free you. It sedates you. You feel sharper. You feel stronger. You feel like you understand Stoicism. Then life hits your chest, your stomach, your throat, your attachment wounds, your panic, your urge to be chosen, your fear of conflict, your addiction to relief. And suddenly, all those elegant quotes blow off the table. Because the mind collected the language, the body never got the installation. And that is where we refuse to lie to you. Stoicism was never meant to become masculine theatre for shallow incentives. Marcus Aurelius was not a bodybuilder. He was a ruler under pressure. Epictetus was not teaching men how to dominate other people. He was teaching human beings how to govern themselves. That is what Stoicism was built to do, and that is why we are rebuilding it. The Stoic Quotient, Stoicism 2.0, where we use AI plus neuroscience, plus over 40 years of Stoicism. Not a new philosophy, a new delivery system. AI for cleaner delivery, neuroscience for mechanism, and over 40 years of watching Stoicism drift into performance, vanity, and repetition. Enough to know exactly where it lost its spine. We are pulling it back to its roots, back to command, back to pressure, back to truth, back to the nervous system, back to what actually changes a human being. And yes, we need support. Not because we are chasing 1 million subscribers. We are not. Not because we worship the algorithm. We do not. Our teachings are free to anyone who truly wants them. But real Stoicism is not for the masses. It never was. It is for the few who are willing to stop performing, stop collecting quotes, stop hiding behind philosophy, and finally do the deeper work. So if that is you, stay. If you want decoration, there are endless channels for that. But if you want the real thing, help us rebuild it. Take the free nervous system audit. Do not let fear keep you from the diagnosis. The first act of Stoicism is not quoting Marcus Aurelius. It is having the courage to see yourself clearly. We'll identify the leak. You decide whether to step into the blueprint and repair it.